Imagine a world where drones hover over your city, capturing sensitive data or disrupting public events. This isn't science fiction, it's a growing reality. Unauthorized drones pose significant risks to infrastructure and public order, highlighting the urgent need for effective countermeasures. Drone at Onsite by T-Systems is a solution that detects drones and its operators. Our technology was successfully deployed at the UEFA Euro 2024, ensuring the safety of thousands of attendees, and is recognized as the most comprehensive solution by the German air traffic control authorities. Our solution excels in early detection, identifying drones before they pose a threat. It precisely locates drone operators, even in dense urban areas, ensuring a swift response and enhanced security. Drone at On-Site seamlessly integrates with existing security infrastructures and has been tested by military and police authorities, proving its reliability and effectiveness in real-world scenarios. Our solution is customizable, scalable, and cost-efficient. Contact us for a consultation to learn more.